at Mycoterra Farm.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
You're a mushroom grower. You're the founder of Mycoterra Farm here in South Deerfield,
I am.
Massachusetts.
This is where we begin the life cycle of the mushrooms that we grow on the farm.
That's so exciting.
Yes.
All these bags are filled with potential mushrooms or soon to be mushrooms.
The mycelium is the living and growing part of the life cycle. It's basically the vegetative part of the life cycle, and the mushroom is the fruit. So what we do in this room is basically propagate the mycelium.
We're in your beautiful custom built kitchen, which is not live yet. So that's hence my portable induction burner, but there's everything a chef could ever want here. And now we have your harvest. So tell us which one is each one, and then I'll pick one and we'll start cooking.
Okay, well here we have our shiitake mushrooms. Then going counterclockwise, we have our blue oyster. These are the black pearl oyster mushroom here, which are actually a hybrid between the king oyster and the blue oyster. Really amazing texture in that mushroom. These are the lion's mane. And here we have piapino. Beautiful depth of flavor with that one. And then these are the chestnut mushrooms.
Fantastic. I am very excited. I'm going to select some shiitakes to start with and then ease my way into the more exotics. Your substrate, are you in these bags? Is that true?
The substrate's in these bags. Right here. This is a great example of the mycelium just getting started on the substrate.
The white is the mycelium.
The white is the mycelium. This is a shiitake production block.
So you have a recipe already.
Yeah,
there's a recipe in here.
There's a recipe in here. We basically make a formulated meal targeted for growing the shiitake
This is what they
mushrooms.
Want to eat. This is specifically a recipe for growing shiitakes.
Yeah, exactly. So the mushrooms are primarily decomposing lignin or cellulose in the hardwood substrate. The grain or the wheat bran or the soy hull amendments are to provide protein, a little bit more of a nutritional boost for them.
So in a sense, we can't eat trees and sawdust. So they mediate something we can't eat into something we can eat, which is their fruiting bodies.
Right.
I mean, this is a process. This is a multi-step, very rigorous, very controlled process. I really do like how dense these mushrooms are. So there's something interesting about the arc of the whole mushroom.
Shiitake, taki means mushroom in Japanese, and it's native to the shia tree, which is similar to, say, like our native beech.
That's fascinating.
Shiitake has a really great umami flavor. It actually acts as a natural flavor enhancer, so it can bring out other flavors in a dish as well.
So I have a little smoked paprika, aka pimentone. So I'm going to season them just a little bit with that. The shallots will go in. I just thinly slice those. So now that the bigger chunks are starting to soften, I'll add the slices because they've got more surface area, so they're going to cook a little bit faster. I like to watch it transform through heat and different ingredients. It's just a really rewarding thing to know more about your ingredient, know about the maker, and have these, like, even if you weren't here and I were at home, you would still be a presence in my mind. You know, our conversation, having seen your amazing operation. So I find cooking and eating and connecting, it's all much more rewarding when you sort of know why people are doing what they're doing. Because you're a scientist, right? That's your background?
My undergrad degree was in environmental science. I studied sustainable agriculture and really got into mushrooms, introduced to mushrooms through soil science. And my graduate degree is in natural resource management, where I looked at the fungal roles in ecosystem management.
It's amazing how all of our inquiries for this series keep coming back to the soil. Because if you treat the soil well, then you get these fantastic edible things, right? That are the resulting.
It's literally the foundation of everything.
It's literally the foundation. We were talking earlier that you just like growing foods.
I really like being connected to the things that sustain me, and food is critical.
And we're going to make a quick ponzu. You know ponzu? So
Ponzu.
Soy and citrus together.
Yes.
That's just one of my favorite flavors. So I tend to do about 50-50. Yeah, really good. We're gonna have trouble stopping because we got other dishes to make. Wow. I mean, I don't think I've ever had a fresher shiitake. I mean, it's really amazing. Rich and meaty, but not strong. It's sort of a nice, gentle, earthy flavor.
The paprikas, like that smokiness with them, it's a really great complement to their flavor.